Good morning, students. Welcome to today's class. So our next chapter is chapter 22, patterns. So what do you mean by patterns? Patterns is collection of shapes, numbers, words, etc. which are arranged according to a rule. So pattern means arrangement of shapes, numbers, words, etc. according to a rule. That is called a pattern. Okay. Now patterns, different types of patterns are there. First one, geometrical pattern. Geometrical pattern means arrangement of shapes, colors and designs according to a rule. Okay, geometrical patterns, arrangement of shapes, colors, then designs according to a rule. It is called the geometrical patterns. Now letter pattern means it is arrangement of letters of English alphabet. Okay, letters of English alphabets according to a rule, it is called a letter pattern. Now number pattern, it is arrangement of numbers according to a rule. Okay, it is called a number pattern. Next, triangular number pattern. Now triangular number pattern is represented by dots arranged in triangular shape. You can see here. As we go on, you will get a triangle, larger triangle you will get. Okay, you can also see as we go on the number of dots in the bottom line. Okay, bottom row. You can see here 1 dot, here 2 dots. Okay, in the bottom row, here 3 rows, here 4, here 5, here 6. Okay, so as we go on, the number of dots in the bottom row is increasing by 1. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. It will go on like that. Okay, now as we go up the triangle, the number of dots is decreasing. Okay, you can see first 2, then 1, then 3, 2, 1. As we go up, the number of dots is decreasing. Okay, here 4, 3, 2, 1. Now here 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, here 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. As we go up, number of dots decreases. As we go from left to right, the number of dots in the bottom row, it is increasing by 1. Okay, താഴെയുള്ള റോയിലുള്ള ഡോട്ട്സ് ലെഫ്റ്റ് ടു റൈറ്റ് മൂവ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ അത് ഇൻക്രീസ് ചെയ്യാണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. 1 ഇൻക്രീസ് ചെയ്യുക. ഹിയർ 1, ഹിയർ 1 + 1 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6. ഓക്കെ, ആൻഡ് ബോട്ടം ടു ടോപ്പ് മൂവ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നമ്പർ ഓഫ് ഡോട്ട്സ് ഡിക്രീസ് ചെയ്യുന്നു. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഹിയർ 3, 2, 1, ഹിയർ 4, 3, 2, 1, ഹിയർ 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, etc. Now this is the first unit of pattern. This is the second unit of pattern. This is third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. It will go on. Okay, all these are units of pattern. Now how can you find 23rd unit of pattern? Okay, in order to find 23rd unit, it will be difficult because you have to draw patterns, more and more patterns like this, more and more units. Okay, so in order to find the larger unit of pattern, you can use this formula. Xn equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. That is here xn means number of dots or number of the pattern. Here if it is 20, if you want to find the 23rd unit of pattern, it will be x23. Okay, if it is 50th unit, x50 you can find. Okay, now n, here n means it is number of dots in the bottom row. In the first row 1 dot, second unit it is 2 dots. In the bottom line it will be 2 dots. Now in the third unit, in the bottom line it will be 3 dots. Okay, fourth unit 4 dots, fifth unit 5 dots, sixth unit 6 dots. Okay, bottom line le etra dots ഉണ്ട് അതാണ് n. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് യൂണിറ്റിൽ 1 dot, ബോട്ടം ലൈനിൽ ബോട്ടം റോയിൽ 1 dot. ഓക്കെ, സെക്കൻഡ് യൂണിറ്റിൽ ബോട്ടം റോയിൽ 2 dots. Now third 3 dots, ഫോർത്തിൽ 4 dots, ഫിഫ്ത്തിൽ 5 dots. ബോട്ടം റോയിൽ ആണ് പറയുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, നൗ 6th unit 6 dots in the bottom row. Okay, so n is the number of dots in the bottom row and xn means number of the pattern, that is 23rd, 23, pattern 23, pattern 24, that is xn, x23, x24, etc. Okay, so this much all about triangular number pattern. Next, square number pattern. Square number pattern means the dots are arranged in square. Okay, in triangular number pattern you get a triangle. Square number pattern, it will be in the shape of square. Okay, squares, and it will have equal number of rows and columns. Here 2 rows 2 columns, 3 rows 3 column, 4 rows 4 column, 5 rows 5 column. Okay, this is called a square number pattern. So in order to find the number of dots in a pattern, how can you find it? Is xn equal to n square. In triangular number pattern, xn equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. In square number pattern, xn equal to n square. So in the 50th unit, what will be the number of square? It will be x50 equal to 50 square. Okay, like that you can find. Now exercise 22, first question. Draw one more figure at the end of each of the following geometrical pattern. Okay, so you have to observe the pattern and draw one more pattern. Okay, so first question. At first it is shaded in this portion. Okay, then it is shaded in the second, this portion. Third diagram, it is shaded in this quadrant. Okay, in your textbook it is given in the 4th quadrant, that is wrong. So change it. It is in this quadrant. Now next figure, it will be shaded in the 4th quadrant, that is this one. First here, then in this, then in this. Okay, that will be the 4th figure. Okay, next B, this diagram. This box we are considering here. At first it is in the bottom. Okay, then it comes to the right, this portion. Then it comes to the top. In the next figure, it will be to the right. Okay, it is rotating in the clockwise direction. Okay, you can see here. ആദ്യം അത് താഴെയായിരുന്നു, പിന്നെ അത് ലെഫ്റ്റിൽ വന്നു, പിന്നെ അത് മുകളിൽ, പിന്നെ അത് റൈറ്റിലേക്കായിരിക്കും. ക്ലോക്ക് വൈസ് ഡയറക്ഷനാണ് റൊട്ടേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Okay, next see this arrow. First it is pointed towards the top, then to right, then to down. Fourth one, it will be to the left. This is also rotating in the clockwise direction. ഇതും clockwise directionൽ rotate ചെയ്യാണ്. ആദ്യം ടോപ്പിലേക്ക്, പിന്നെ റൈറ്റിലേക്ക് വന്നു, പിന്നെ ഡൗണിലേക്ക്, പിന്നെ ഫോർത്ത് ലാസ്റ്റ് it will be to the left side. Okay, next D. Here only one circle, here 4 circle, here 9 circle. Okay, that is 1 into 1 1, 2 into 2 4, 3 into 3 9. Next in the 4th box it will be 16, 4 into 4 16. So you can draw one square. Now here it will be 4 circle, here it will be, here also it will be 4 circle. So 4 into 4 16. Okay, 1 into 1 1, 2 into 2 4, 3 into 3 9, 4 into 4 16. Next one it will be 5 into 5 25. It will go on like that. Okay, next second question. Observe the pattern and fill the next number. In that A, 1 6 11 16 21, what will be the next number? So you can see here 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 5 16, 16 plus 5 21, 21 plus 5 you will get 26 here. Okay, the next number will be 26. Now B, 1 2 4 8 16, what will be the next number? So 1 into 2 2, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16. Next number will be 16 into 2 32. Okay, next C, 1 3 7 13 21. 1 plus 2, 3. Okay, here 1 plus 2. Now 3 plus 4 you will get 7. Okay, 7 plus 6 you will get a 30. 13 plus 8 you will get 21. So what will be the next number? You can see here adding 2, 4, 6, 8. That is even numbers you are adding. Okay, so here next number will be 21 plus 10. That is 31. Okay. Next D. 1, 6, 12, 19, 27. What will be the next number? So you can see here 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 7, 19. 19 plus 8, 27. Next it will be 27 plus 9, 36. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. Next it will be 9. 27 plus 9 you will get 36. Then E. 35, 29, 24, 20, 17. Here you can notice one thing. The numbers are decreasing. Okay. 35, 29, 24, 20, 17. Numbers are decreasing. But in these 4 patterns, the numbers are increasing. Okay. These patterns are called growing or increasing pattern. If the numbers are increasing in a pattern, means it is called a growing or increasing pattern. If the numbers are decreasing in a pattern, means it is called a reducing or decreasing pattern. Okay. So you can see 35 minus 6 you will get 29. 29 minus 5, 24. 24 minus 4, 20. 20 minus 3, 17. So what will be the next number? It will be 17 minus 2. Okay, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 next. Okay, so 17 minus 2, it will be 15. Now F. 76, 71, 66, 61, 56. What will be the next number? So 76 minus 5, it is 71. This is reducing pattern. Okay, 76 minus 5, 71. 71 minus 5, it is 66. 66 minus 5, it is 61. 61 minus 5, 56. Next it will be 56 minus 5, 51. Okay. Third question, observe the pattern and fill in the blanks. So 1 into 1, 1. 11 into 11, 1, 2, 1. 111 into 111, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. 1111 into 1111, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now 11,111 into 11,111. What will be the number? Here you can see the pattern 1. Then 1, 2, 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. First up to, then up to 5 you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you can write 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. First it is increasing, then it is decreasing. Okay. Now next number it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up to 6 you can write. Here 1, then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then decreasing. You will get 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, these are the numbers here. Next C. 2 into 2 minus 1 into 1, it is 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Okay. Then 4 into 3 minus 2 into 2, it is 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Next 4 into 4 minus 3 into 3. It will be 4 plus 3. You will get 7. Here there is a mistake. Here it will be 3 into 3. Not 4 into 3. Here it is 3 into 3. Okay. 3 into 3 minus 2 into 2, it will be 3 plus 2 equal to 5. 4 into 4 minus 3 into 3, it is 4 plus 3 equal to 7. Now 5 into 5 minus 4 into 4, it will be 5 plus 4, you will get a 9. Okay. Next 6 into 6 minus 5 into 5, it is 6 plus 5, you will get 11. Next 7 into 7 minus 6 into 6, it is 7 plus 6, it is 13. Okay, so these numbers will come in the blanks. Next E, 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16 plus 18 plus 20 equal to 2 into 55, you will get 110. Next 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus 15 plus 18 plus 21 plus 24 plus 27 plus 30. It is 3 into 55 equal to 165. So you can see these are the multiples of 2 up to 20. Okay, first 10 multiples of 2. Sum of first 10 multiples of 2. 2 in the first 10 multiples in the sum ആണ് ഇവിടെ എടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. അതെന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 2 into 55 110. Now sum of first 10 multiples of 3, it is 3 into 55. Next it is given sum of first 10 multiples of 4. So what will be that? 4 into 55, you will get 220. Okay, this will be the answer. Now do the remaining problems of that exercise as homework. So that chapter is over. This much for this class. Thank you.